The Johns Hopkins database recorded 45,000 new cases Saturday here in the United States, and after the past 7 days, that counts as good news. Over the past week, the US has reported record after record new amounts of one-day infections due to the coronavirus, capping out at 55,000 new cases in just one day. However, there is a fear that the pause could be momentary. Why? The country has spent the weekend celebrating the 4th of July. Countless thousands of Americans joined in festivities across the country. Medical experts fear in 5 to 7 days we could see a new spike as people contracted the virus in the massive crowds to celebrate the 4th of July. The surge continued in those states that opted to open quickly: Arizona, Texas, and Florida. Florida announced its own grim milestone. 200,000 cases have been detected in that state. Local officials are demanding that citizens do more to help stop the spread of the coronavirus. President Donald Trump spent the weekend praising his administration's work in curbing the spread of coronavirus.
Now we have tested almost 40 million people. By so doing, we show cases, 99% of which are totally harmless.
The reaction was immediate, with some in his administration refusing to back up his assertion, such as the head of the Food and Drug Administration. Local officials in those states struggling with the new outbreaks are angry that the president is not taking more of a lead in demanding that people wear face masks and insist on social distancing when in public.
And when they start hearing that kind of ambiguous message coming out of Washington, there are more and more people that won't wear masks, that won't social distance, that won't do what it takes to keep a community safe, and that's wrong and it's dangerous. I just have to hope that people aren't going to listen to that and they'll stay focused on what they're hearing here more locally.
The administration wants to keep the conversation focused on the future. This weekend, they discussed the possibilities of employees returning to workspaces as long as companies had undertaken the necessary precautions. Toby Muse, CGTN, Washington.